So Sabine, we just got the new SN FME 50 in stock.
Wow, thank you, Sean. I'm excited. Man, only one box. That's new. Very cool.
We will have it up and running within 24 hours.
Wow, that is something our customers are going to like.
Ready to go.
Oh, cool, ready to go. What do I do? Wow, that is easy. Just came out of the box and already running, and great quality pouches. Our customers will love that. One piece of equipment, no wiring up, nothing. You just set it in place and boom, hit the button and go. Awesome, that is cool. Very good.
From crate to running pouches in a day, the new FME 50 places SN's proven and reliable technology in a robust, compact frame that is quick and easy to set up. Contact PPI Technologies Group today and create your customized solution.